Wala na akong nitro-based RCs. Pero panoorin nyo na lang tong video na. Marinig nyo ba yun? Yan ang tunog ng nitro na RC. When I started in the RC hobby, ang first kit na binuo ko ay electric. Pero dahil sa mga tao na to, naengganyo akong mag-nitro. Nag-umpisa ako sa mga nitro-based Monster Truck at Savage X. And then eventually, bumalik na ako sa electric. Ang reason kung bakit ako nag-electric is unang-una, maintenance. Ang mga nitro RCs kasi uses fuel. So, yung technicalities ng nitro RCs is very similar to an actual car. It burns fuel, it uses a single-stroke engine. Itong single-stroke engine na to uses nitro-methanol-based fuels to make it run. Maintenance as well of a nitro-based RCs is like 2 times or 3 times more expensive. You spend for the fuel, you spend for the maintenance, you spend for the cleaning. Since fuel-based ang mga nitro-based RCs, mas mahirap siyang linisin. All of the oil that spills out of the fuel napupunta sa kit mo. So, kailangan mo siyang linisin. In my experience, it takes me around 1 to 2 hours just to clean the RC after a track day. Yun ang isang reason kung bakit rin pumunta na ako sa electric RCs. Sobrang hirap niyang i-maintain and keep clean. While electric RCs, high-pressured air lang and a little water, malinis na siya ulit. Batteries are cheaper. Charge mo lang siya. After charging the batteries, takbo ka na ulit. While nitro RCs, pag naubos, bibili ka ulit ng fuel. In one race or one session on the track, mabilis lang ang 1 gallon. 1 gallon, nowadays, I think will cost you around 2,000 to 3,000 pesos. Fuel pa lang yun. Mauubos yun. Unlike electric, batteries, i-recharge mo lang ulit. Good to go ka na. Pero sa totoo lang, if I have the time, money, and resources, I would still go for nitro-based RCs. Sobrang satisfying. Tunog pa lang. Pag nakaamoy ka ng methanol, pag naamoy mo yung amoy ng nitro na susunog galing dun sa RC cars, maa-addict ka. Pero unfortunately, if you work for a living and you also do RCs on the side, this is not feasible. That's why, until now, I only run electric-based RCs. Pero sobrang saya ng nitro, sa totoo lang. Meron na rin tayong new age of RCs, which are like 1/5 scale that uses actual unleaded gasoline. Yung mga gas na kinakarga mo sa kotse, pwede mo na rin ikarga sa kanya. Price ranges of these kits will cost you around, I think, 50 to 60,000 per kit, excluding the fuel. Maintenance, yan ang hindi ko lang because I never owned them and I don't think I can justify spending that much on a large-scale RC. So if you have questions about nitro-based RCs or electric-based RCs and how they compare to each other, mag-PM ka lang sa comments. I will do my best to answer your questions. Sa susunod na video, pag-usapan naman natin ang budget at kung magkano ba talaga ang magagastos mo sa isang RC.